Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preheating the oven to 425 degrees so it's ready when you shape the biscuits. Measure 2 cups Bisquick and about 2/3 cup milk. Use cold milk or buttermilk for better lift. Add 2 tablespoons cold butter and cut it into the mix. This creates flakes as the butter melts in the oven. Stir just until the dough comes together. Don't overwork it, because overmixing develops gluten and makes biscuits tough. Once the dough is cohesive, turn it onto a lightly floured surface and pat it to roughly 1/2 inch thick. Fold the dough over itself a couple of times or gently roll to create layers. This is why you cut in butter earlier. Layers trap steam and give lift. Use a 2 cutter and press straight down without twisting to keep those layers intact. Place cut biscuits close for soft sides or spaced for crisp edges. Re-roll scraps only once to preserve texture. Bake the biscuits at 425 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. Goal is a deep golden top and cook-through bottom. Once out, brush with melted butter to enhance color and flavor, then let them rest a few minutes before serving so steam finishes the interior. If biscuits come out dense or flat, it usually means too much liquid or overmixing. Next time, chill the dough briefly, use cold butter, or reduce liquid slightly. Also verify your Bisquick or leavening is fresh for reliable rise.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.